Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple theme change UI in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. Let's begin by adding two themes into our game. Here I'll add red. I'm gonna make it red. Yeah, nice. And I will add blue. Okay. Now what we'll do is add a screen GUI, the starter GUI. I will call it theme changer. Okay, now I'm going to add a button. We need two buttons for both of our teams. So I'm going to call this change blue. I'm going to place it nicely and put some text in. Blue. Okay, now I'm going to add a button that I'll call change red, and I'll put some text in too. Okay, now add a local script to any of those buttons. Really, it doesn't matter to which one you add it. Now I'm going to define which team will the script actually give us to. So I'm going to go local team equals game.teams. The script is in change blue, so I'm going to go blue. Oops, blue. Yes. Now I'm going to detect whenever the button is clicked. So I'll go script.parent, so the button, mouse button one clicked. Connect function, and let's close it. Yes, so like this. This function will fire whenever the button is clicked. What we have to add now is a remote function, so we can actually call the server to change the theme. Because if we change the theme with this script, it just all the players won't see the change. It just won't work. So let's add a remote event. I'm going to call it change, and let's add a script to server script service. I'm going to call it changer. Now I'm going to add a function that will fire whenever the event is called by our local script. So game.replicated storage .change .onServe event connect function, and let's close it. Now I'm going to add two arguments. That's going to be the player that calls it, and it's going to be the team that we want to change the player to. So now player.team equals team. Yeah. Now let's add a line of script that will actually call the event. So game.replicated storage .change fire server, and we're going to put in the team variable. Yeah. Now I'm going to just copy the script to the red button, and I'm going to change the team to red. Okay, it should work now. Let's see. I'm going to, yes, nice, looks pretty nice. I'm going to play the game now. Let's see if it works. Okay, as you can see, it works pretty well. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole video. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.